Star Wars fans, my second box, Masterworks 2020. You have not seen my first opening. It was epic, at least for me. So, it'd be extremely hard to top that box, although there are many hits in this series that can surely top that box. But that box, the hit, it was nice. Go check it out. Go check it out in my other video. Okay, first box. This is a light box. Reliquili, Chewbacca as the first hit. Lando. I think I got Lando last time too. I did. Snow Trooper and a green Rose Tico. Yeah, the first box, one of the hits was a stamp relic, and it was Lando. It was a purple Lando. Second pack feels a little bit heavier, and there is one thick card inside. General Pride. This one is 40th Anniversary Rainbow, Millennium Falcon, and it is dog tag auto, Paul Blake as Greedo. And it is out of 57 out of 50. Insert. And a blue Comics. Third box. This one doesn't feel as heavy, but feels a little bit on the heavier side. And there is one thick card inside. Grease. There's some hair. Zori Bliss. And as I thought, dog tag. General Veers. Death is a natural part of life. Wise words of Yoda. And blue, Iden Verso. The greens are numbered to 99. Blue, I believe, is not numbered. Wise words of Yoda. And the last box. This one is a light one. Cara Dune. Insert Imperial Royal Guard. This is a rainbow. Let me just and Jyn Erso Mom. Lyra Urso. Feline Kane has Lyra Urso. 40th insert. And blue Pelimoto. Alright, so there we have it. 2 autograph hits. This one. And this one. Okay, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I will be back with more of these Masterworks from this year. So do subscribe and hit that bell. See you guys next time.